आप कैसे हो?
I'm fine, brother. I'm fine. All good.
किधर किधर हो
Getting
आजकल?
हम मुंबई में हैं. I live here, and basically we all are stuck in a very hard lockdown in Mumbai. So things are moving slowly, as you know. Hopefully it gets better every day.
But they are not getting normal.
Not Mumbai. Mumbai is actually one of the highest hit cities in India. So uh, rumors are going on कि अगला दिन आर्मी आएगा. फिर rumors जाते हैं कि नहीं खुलेगा. But I work in an airline. We Air India have started evacuation flights. So
They started that. Okay.
yeah, yeah.
Good. So it must be very
Cheers.
busy
अभी
on
तो
the
cheers
airports.
बोलना पड़ेगा with coffee.
With coffee. नहीं मेरा रमजान चल रहा है तो मैं I'm sorry, but still I will take
I'm
your cheers
sorry.
after Aftari. Of
No
course.
coffee with Salman.
No. Yeah, coffee with Karan, no coffee with Seva. Okay, great.
So
Yeah, लॉकडाउन ने हमारा यहाँ पे तो लाइक लास्ट वीक काफी लूज किया है तो स्पोर्ट्स शुरू हुआ है विद द डिफरेंट प्रोटोकॉल वेरी डिफिकल्ट व्हिच इज बट स्टिल नथिंग इज बेटर समथिंग इज बेटर देन नथिंग तो यहाँ पे बड़ा अच्छा स्टार्ट हुआ है अभी और आई होपफुली लेकिन जो पढ़ने में जो सुनने में आ रहा है दे आर सेइंग दैट इट गोना लास्ट लॉन्ग तो इट्स नॉट कि ये अब
we have
खत्म हो गया है
we have one of our local stars, Devinder Valmiki, who is stuck there in Netherlands.
Yeah, I know him.
So
Yeah. He's stuck. Many people are stuck here. Then also that Sardar ji with him,
Harjeet, Harjeet,
Arjeet also.
Harjeet. Yeah.
Yeah. They are together. A Japanese player there. He's also stuck here. So
Okay.
yeah, but yeah, well, we hope that flight starts soon and वो यहाँ से जाएं और दो
And
पाकिस्तानी
what
players यहाँ पे खेलते हैं वो भी stuck हुए हैं totally.
before you asking me the questions, I want to ask you a question. You are involved with the Japan team, right?
Yes,
So
I am.
what is your take on the Olympics that is postponed for next year? Do you have a feeling that is going to happen, or they might
It's
not just
not,
have a
yeah,
the
yeah. First of all, it was not a good news for Japan. Also, they were really looking forward to it, and they really prepared very well. I can tell you, it was going to be the best Olympics in the history. But yeah, okay, it's been postponed, but still, yeah, it's not clear. They are saying that it might not even. They have to cancel it. This time they postponed it, so maybe next year they have to cancel it. So that's
yeah?
what Corona did. Yeah, it is possible, absolutely. And they are
As I
very
spoke with some Indian
Japanese are very
players,
sorry. The Japanese are very sad about it, but they are still they're trying their best, and with their health ministry and all everyone, they are really trying their best to get over it as soon as possible, and they want Olympics in the country.
okay, so let's bring on the goalkeeper question. I'm so happy that I'm meeting another goalkeeper, and I've agreed for this
Question: Are we
Instagram live
having an
with you,
interview
brother.
or are we having a chat?
Yeah.
So yeah, you tell you're still playing from Air India, right?
Yeah, we still have a domestic team that is Air India. I'm an employee over there,
Man,
and
you're still getting best goalkeepers award. And I was looking at your some stories and posts on Insta. I was like, man, this guy is crazy, yeah.
well, they always say, Salman, the domestic hockey league is much harder than the national team's
Oh yeah,
performance. So
oh yeah.
it's always been a great thing to achieve all these laurels for the domestic leagues, and that's how I made it to India team. So I'm happy to win this at the age of 35, 36.
Well, you're still younger than me. But okay, let's go to a little bit in the past. Erin, how you? I mean, a guy from Mumbai grow up, and why hockey? What brings you in the hockey? I can tell
Uh,
here everyone, Edwin is a very handsome. We used to call him a Shahid Kapoor of hockey, and very
Shahid
smart
Kapoor,
guy. Yeah, Shahid Kapoor
Shahid
of
Kapoor.
hockey, and very smart guy, very friendly guy. And I always wondered. I never asked you this one. How you ended up in the hockey and goalkeeping
Uh,
especially.
it's all coincidence, brother. The school that I came up from, the neighborhood that I was born and bred, was Orlem Malad. The school was St. Anne's. Well, we were very good for football and hockey and athletics.
Okay.
तो पिताजी तो फुटबॉल खेलते थे बचपन में, तो उन्होंने डाल दिया फुटबॉल पे कि जाओ बेटा खेलो.
अच्छा पहले
एंड
फुटबॉल था. Okay.
football, always first love football.
Yeah.
So the moment we didn't have a goalkeeper in under 10 in hockey, coach ने बोला ये बेटा kicking अच्छा करता है, goalkeeping में डाल दो. And since then I never looked back, brother.
Okay, that's great. That's great. Was it easy journey to make national team, go and
Never,
play Olympics
never. I
in
think
such a big country? Yeah,
for
in such a big country.
in such a big country and especially Mumbai, it's very hard for Mumbai locals to make it so big because of the surroundings we are, the culture we are living in
Yeah.
Mumbai. It's a big city, right? So the moment you get out of school, you still have the dedication, but once you're in college, things are very different in Mumbai. It's you may just lose your line, you might just have other things to do, your passion may change. So I got lucky. I was selected in an academy at the age of 17. So that's where I started focusing on only hockey, and the rest was something else.
Yeah. Okay. Sounds good. And then you got a platform of Air India. That was the first one you entered, or there was some thing before also you entered, like
No, my
record?
my 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 first department was Bharat Petroleum. The year I
Okay.
just turned 18, I was posted in Bangalore. So for 3 years, I was with Bharat Petroleum, and then I got an offer from Indian Airlines. It
Then
was
you
very
moved to
funny
Bangalore.
because
Then you moved to Bangalore.
I moved to Bangalore.
That's
So
why you
हम
have
लोग
a
का
lot of
camp
friends from Bangalore. I remember Arjun Bhai and Ignis and yeah.
yeah, because 3 साल Bangalore में निकाला तो there you have to learn your way. You know, it's not a language where it's Hindi, it's Kannada. So you had to learn things on how to get stuff और अकेला रहना है तो हम लोग का कैंप तो 300 days रहता था आप लोग के जैसे. So whenever you would get
हमारे
back home
जैसे
from a camp, कितना 365 days पाकिस्तान में कितने कैंप how many days है
400 days. I'm not gonna talk about it. ये मेरा बड़ा एक touchy सा है
तो मतलब
topic.
दिन में 4 सेशन 2 सेशन में
Yeah. Amazing. Yeah, really was awesome to be part of national team, of course. But yeah, तो या हमारा तो अच्छा तो आप हमारा 365 डेज की हमारा तो हमें डिपेंड करता था कि कोई भी टूर आता था तो उस कोई भी टूर्नामेंट आता था तो उस हिसाब से हम लाइक अ मंथ बिफोर हम सारे इकट्ठे होते थे किसी भी सिटी में और वहां पे हम फिर अपनी ट्रेनिंग करते थे उसके साथ उससे पहले जो होता था वो हम अपने डोमेस्टिक टूर्नामेंट्स अपने अपने पर्टिकुलर रिस्पेक्टिव डिपार्टमेंट्स या क्लब्स या सिटीज की तरफ से खेलते थे सो इट वाज लाइक दैट इन पाकिस्तान it wasn't like how you guys especially now what you have there in India Pakistan में
yeah
ऐसा नहीं
yeah
कुछ था
yeah India has improved a lot since
oh
I've
yes
stopped playing. So
since you
it's
stopped
amazing
playing
to
so they
watch.
were waiting for you
चल भाई अभी खेल लेते गोलकीपर का तो थिंकिंग इज ऑलवेज दैट वे वी हाउ वी थिंक यार हम लोग
yeah
ने इतना सेव कर लिया एक गोल तो मार ले.
and Adrian how much you agree with this line goalkeepers are amazing people how much you agree
110%.
अच्छा वो क्यों
क्योंकि I like to add on to that. We are not only amazing people on the field, but I think we look different. So starting से we have to think differently, boss. कि हम you will agree with me being a goalkeeper कि हम लोग कितना भी ट्रेनिंग करें कितना भी प्रैक्टिस करें end of the day what the results are in the match. So it's a thankless job. So that's why we are amazing.
And only on the field amazing or off the field also I'm more concerned
Off the
about
field,
off the field
I think off the field we goalkeepers don't go out a lot as in we are to our own selves. I've noticed that with many goalkeepers around the world. You know, Vogels from Netherlands.
yeah Netherlands
I used to just see him sitting with a book at the cafe. Matlab, full team will be outside roaming, checking out.
exactly
But he would just be sitting with a book, you know. So goalkeepers think differently off the field as well.
exactly that's why you know goalkeepers we हम तो पहले से ही वो social distancing की practice करते रहते थे ये दुनिया तो अब कर रही है हम तो बहुत पहले से करते हैं right that's
अपना खुद का पीपी खुद सूट है अपना
हम अपने भी रहते हैं ऐसी हमारे उधर पाकिस्तान में तो कहते हैं कि गोलकीपर की ना एक एक्स्ट्रा रिब होती है यानी कि हम इतने डिफरेंट होते हैं You remember in Chandigarh I told you कि मेरी एक extra rib है तूने माना नहीं था and then I showed you yes I actually in real I have an extra rib on my left side Yeah, here.
So basically, like how you have extra fingers, you have an extra rib.
I have. Yes, yes, yes. That's true.
So
That's
is that the कौन से side पे right side के left
इधर
side?
लेफ्ट साइड पे तुझे बताया था मैंने चंडीगढ़ में, यू थॉट इट्स अ
अरे
जोक ना.
भूल गया भाई.
हाँ चलो कोई नहीं.
So I think that's the reason why you're stronger on the left side. I think left जो left वाले glove के आते हैं.
यार ये बात ना कर रहा है.
I've seen that
मेरे पे
impact.
जितना बड़ा इल्जाम लगा हुआ है ना कि मैं राइट साइड पे भी था, तूने भी. अच्छा इसका मतलब है. अच्छा चल इस पे आते हैं. अच्छा फिर डोमेस्टिक भी हो गया. मेरा भी कुछ ऐसे ही चला था. मैंने भी एक्सीडेंटली हॉकी शुरू की थी एंड ऑल दैट. और चलते चलते फिर एक्चुअली मैंने पढ़ाई से जान छुड़ाने के लिए हॉकी शुरू की थी. तो वो मैं आई गॉट सक्सेस इन दैट. और लेटर ऑन जब मैंने की स्पोर्ट्स तो मैं अच्छा निकला उसमें से, जो कि मुझे पता ही नहीं था. तो फिर ऐसे मेरा पाकिस्तान टेलीकम्युनिकेशन पहला डिपार्टमेंट था. फिर मैं भी डिपार्टमेंट की हॉकी खेला, रिकग्नाइज हुआ, नेशनल टीम में कैंप में आ गया, टीम में आ गया. दैट्स हाउ आई एंटर्ड इन माय नेशनल टीम. और फिर सोचा भी नहीं था कभी 13 इयर्स खेलूंगा और 2 ओलंपिक्स. बट इट वाज ब्रिलियंट. इट वाज एन अमेजिंग journey and I still miss it. Adrian, do you miss those times playing for national team?
Of course you'll miss those times till the end because most importantly you'll relive those times. अभी जब हम डोमेस्टिक हॉकी खेलते हैं you still get those moments where हम लोग ये स्टेडियम में पाकिस्तान के साथ खेले थे, या फिर चंडीगढ़ में we had this tournament against Pakistan. So the Indo-Pak series has always been a conflict between us. And most importantly, bhai, I still remember कि we both would never talk. एक phase था in our lives where we would never talk. वो जज्बा था, वो I don't know what it was called. Not
that was beginning, I would say.
Yeah, in the beginning, like just after Olympics and the first year, we got to know each other more during the Indo-Pak series.
Yes.
When we visited your country, you all visited our country, we had that conversation कि अभी challenge is only between us both. You know, there's no third team. So that's when I got to know you, Rehan Bhatt, and Sakleen, and Adnan, Zakir, Shakil Abbasi. So, I would never like you all on the field. Abhi bhi, I'll tell you on your face. So, on the field, no chance. मतलब Sakleen आया तो wrong side पे मिलेगा तो छोड़ना नहीं. और शकील अब्बासी आया तो he always is good with his reverse. So, try and avoid it. तो वो जज्बा तो है. That will never end.
उसको मिस कर गया तो वो हमारा हीरो रेहान भट्ट.
Rehan Bhatt is one of the players that I have faced. He's the Deepak Thakur of Pakistan team. He's so special in the D that they always think 2 steps ahead than the goalkeepers or the defense. So this is the speciality between these players.
तो एडन एज अ गोलकीपर कैसा ऑन द फील्ड अभी बात हो रही है, ऑफ द फील्ड चलते हैं अभी. वो ज्यादा फनी स्टोरीज हैं. इधर थोड़ा हॉकी जल्दी से इसको कर लें. तो रेहान
कितने घंटे का है
रेहान
Are we doing a half an hour, 1 hour?
हाँ नहीं, अभी हमारे पास 45 बड़ा टाइम है अभी हमारे पास.
टाइम तो बहुत है. देखा जाएगा.
तो रेहान भट्ट जब मैच होता था तो कोई एज अ गोलकीपर स्पेशली होता था कि यार ये फिर ये आ गया यार, ये क्या, इसका क्या करें.
रेहान भट्ट का एक था कि when he was in the D, you always had to be prepared a step before than you would for other forwards, because he was so smart, basically sly, not smart, sly.
Yeah.
And how to score goals. तो मतलब वो कोने कोने से भी एक एंगल, एक ओपनिंग दिखेगा, he'll score.
ऐसे ही.
और दिखता है तो मतलब हम लोग कैसे बोलते हैं, फुद्दू गोल दिखता है.
Yeah.
तो it would look फुद्दू for a goalkeeper कि हम लोग ने कैसा खाया, but it's a very intelligent goal. So with Rehan, the preparations were always कि whoever's close to him, just tackle him as soon as you can, वरना he is good in the D.
या रेहान को मैं जो मुझे याद है इंडियन टीम में विरेन बड़ा अच्छा हैंडल करता था. जान ही नहीं छोड़ता था रेहान की. विरेन सक्सेना, राइट?
We used to have a man to man on Rehan from Viren side.
Yeah. Viren was
that was one of the strategies. Yeah.
And then I remember, I can't say on the behalf of Rehan, but जो मैंने फील्ड पे देखा हुआ है, रेहान इग्नेस टर्की से बड़ा अनॉय होता था. He was also very इग्नेस नहीं छोड़ते थे रेहान को.
हम लोग आप लोग भी did you all also do the same thing that you would compare a player to the Pakistan Indian side, you know, like how you would have how Wasim was in the center controlling the entire center. We had Bimal Lakra, if you remember.
Yes.
You know, Bimal was in the complete center. Then when you had forwards, you had Shakil Abbasi one side, Rehan Bhatt, and you know all these forwards. Then we had our Deepak Thakur, Gagan Ajit, and Prabjot Singh, जो triangle forwards थे. Goalkeeper में तो we didn't know each other, तो हम लोग बोलते थे सलमान है और वहाँ डिसोजा है. No one could call me Adrian.
Yeah,
आज
yeah,
तक no
yeah,
one
yeah,
could call
yeah. Never. Exactly.
डिसूजा,
D'Souza.
पाकिस्तान
Yeah.
में जाते तो डिसूजा, तो डिसूजा जी.
नहीं, हमारा जो मुझे याद है, नहीं हम वी नेवर कंपेयर्ड, लेकिन हमें ये हम हमारी स्ट्रेटेजी में ये होता था कि इसको इनके फॉरवर्ड्स को कैसे रोकना है, इनकी डिफेंस में क्या लूज पोज है, कहाँ से हमने हिट करना है. मेरा जो पर्सनल होता था, बिकॉज आई थिंक दैट वाज योर्स आल्सो, बिकॉज यू आर आल्सो गोलकीपर. मैं सिर्फ नॉट ओनली फॉर इंडिया, मैं हर टीम के मेरा फोकस गोलकीपर पे होता था कि यार वो कैसा परफॉर्म कर रहा है, आई हैव टू डू बेटर देन हिम, आई एम नॉट गोना लेट हिम परफॉर्म बेटर देन मी. सो मेरा तो ये चलता था. और जब आप खेल रहे होते थे तो मेरा यही होता था कि यहाँ इसको गोल हो, ऐसी की तैसी मुझे ना हो, इसको हो, यू नो, मैं अच्छा बनूं और मैं अच्छा परफॉर्म करूं. तो ये मेरा एज अ गोलकीपर तो मुझे ये होता था.
ये पॉइंट पे आई हैव टू टेल यू समथिंग दैट माय मदर, ओके, जब भी मैं टूर से वापस आता था, लाइक स्पेशली द इंडो पाक सीरीज व्हेन इट टू हैपन, या आई शुड स्पीक ऑन द फोन, माय मॉम यूज्ड टू ओनली टॉक अबाउट सलमान. लाइक, अरे, the day you all used to win, this was okay. In our language, she used to say that, you know, today they won because of Salman. Today, okay, Salman conceded. So it was, the focus for her was not Sohail Abbas or any other player. It was a challenge between Salman. So it was a positive thing, but in the end, she wanted us to win.
Of course. नहीं, say my lot of thanks to her. I mean, ये हमारे बड़े हैं और इन्हीं की good wishes, और no matter, yeah, we are neighbors and from a different country, but इन्हीं की विशेष से, इन्हीं की दुआओं से हम इतने आगे तक पहुंचे, और मेरा उनको बहुत ज्यादा थैंक यू, और क्या कहते हैं, धन्यवाद कहीं. यस, धन्यवाद.
थैंक यू enough, brother.
थैंक यू जनाब. शी विल अंडरस्टैंड. मैं जरा कोशिश करूं थोड़ी हिंदी टच मारूं बीच में. अपने भाई आ गए हैं, सुजेश भाई भी आ गए हैं. सुजेश भाई नमस्ते.
I actually can't see who all has joined because it's too bright here, but
I'm following it, whoever it is, and yeah, Sujesh,
you can update
me. Goalkeeper you produce. ये मुझे याद है, छोटा सा होता था. I mean, इतना इसको second goalkeeper होता था, इसको इतना seriously मैं तो नहीं specially लेता था. But when he, mashallah, when he came on the field, he proved himself, and now he's one of the best goalkeeper. I really juniors को मैं बड़ी example देता हूँ सुजेश की, के you should look at him, the way he come up, and still now how stable he is. So well done, Sujesh. Really appreciate your hard work, efforts, and now where you are. और ये जिस तरह के आप इमोजी भेज रहे हैं, काइंडली रमजान है, ये काम ना करें.
well,
about याद है, ये थोड़ा सा सुजेश आ गया तो इसके बारे में छोटी सी बात करता हूँ. हम जब ये अभी बताएंगे हम व्यूअर्स को भी कि स्टार स्पोर्ट्स से जब हमने इंडिया हॉकी लीग की कमेंट्री की थी, तो हम लखनऊ में गए थे. तो ये खेला था लखनऊ की तरफ से. तो इनका लास्ट गेम थी वो, ये दे कुडंट फिनिश इन सेमीफाइनल्स. तो रात को हम कमेंट्री वगैरह, उस शो वगैरह का करके आए.
हम लोग का स्केड्यूल लाइट था. हाँ,
मैं और एड्रिन, तो लखनऊ के ना टूर्नामेंट खत्म हो गया था, तो मैं और एड्रिन, हमारा था हम रात को ना बाहर जाके कुछ खाते थे. तो इनके मैचेस का मैंने एड्रिन को, मैं कहा चल सुजेश को भी आज लेके जाते हैं. हम इसके होटल गए, इसको उठाया हमने. ये कि नहीं भाई, इसको हमने घसीटा, वो साइकिल रिक्शे पे बिठाया, इसको कहा चल हमारे साथ. ये वहां पे भी कही जाए, नहीं मैंने नहीं जाना. बच्चों की तरह इसको कैसा घसीट के लेके गए,
और सिर्फ खाने के लिए जा रहे थे और कुछ करने के लिए.
एब्सोल्युटली, हम और कुछ करते भी नहीं थे, खाने ही जाते थे.
हाफ फ्राई पराठे, रात के पराठे.
ये चलो बात शुरू ही हुई है. मैं और एड्रिन, हम स्टार स्पोर्ट्स में इकट्ठे इंडिया हॉकी लीग में हमने काम किया है 2 साल. तो बड़ा जबरदस्त एड्रिन, मुझे इतना इसने मेरी केयर की. और एक और होता था हमारा करण, हमारा होस्ट होता था, अमेजिंग है. उसका नाम मैंने रखा था करण गूगल. उससे जो बात पूछो वो फौरन गूगल खोल लेता. तो एड्रिन ने मेरी इतनी केयर की. हमारा ये होता था, हम रोड साइड डिनर्स करते थे जाके, अंडा पराठा और ऑमलेट और ऐसी चीजें, भले हम दिल्ली में हो, लखनऊ हो, मुंबई हो. मुझे ये होता था एड्रिन मुझे बाहर लेकर जा, मैंने होटल का खाने ना. और एड्रिन ने मुझे इतना घुमाया, और अंडा पराठा, और वहां से मेरा डायलॉग चला. तो मैं ना इसको कहता हूँ शहजादा, तो ये कहता होता था ये चीज. तो हम आज भी जब भी बात होती है तो हम ये बात जरूर करते हैं. थैंक यू वेरी मच एड्रिन फॉर ऑल दैट hospitality and taking care of me. It will always remain in my memories. Absolutely.
No, bro, it's always been my pleasure, because we have always shared something special, and the only thing we have shared special is conceding goals and taking galis from our own team members.
हम
So we
हम
know
दोनों
that feeling.
हम दोनों एक दूसरे के दुख शेयर करते थे बैठ के।
We know that feeling. Coming back to Shrijesh, uh, I'll be very honest and very upfront with you. Shrijesh and me, we used to never talk when he just joined in the senior camp or the junior camp. He was one batch younger than me. So in India, one batch younger means 4 years younger because every World Cup takes place in
Yeah,
4 years. So we cut it into batch ways.
Mhm.
Shrijesh was one batch younger to me, and we were never roommates. I was senior most in the junior team because I played the Olympics and come back, and we had a groupism nahi tha, but the seniors used to be seniors and the
Yeah,
juniors
I understand that.
freshmen.
Yeah.
So but I had to face Shrijesh every time in the pad room, right? There was no other option. So
Oh, yeah.
Shrijesh would never talk much. He would be like, hello Anna, hello macha, brother, all these words he would use. And he was a boy who had just come from Kerala, so
Yes.
the culture was very different from where I have come from, Mumbai and Delhi, more from the urban cities. Um, it took us 3 years, 2 years actually to understand each other and become friends, as in friends, because these 2 years, when we played the Junior World Cup, he would keep to himself and I would keep to myself. But end of the day, in the pad room, we had no option. We had to face each other. And she just used to always be like, brother, all the best for the match. I'll be like, yeah, man, all the best to you also. What's your scene? But my communication to him used to go boom.
Yeah,
Because
I was hearing is one of the interview. If I'm not wrong, he told there that he used to wear only lungi, and you are the one
yeah,
who teach him to wear the jeans and this boxer. He even wrote it.
not jeans, bro,
My life from
boxers.
lungi to boxer. Yeah, he even wrote it. Yeah.
Yeah,
What was that?
because
Is it true?
yeah, it all happened once we started sharing rooms.
जैसे लुंगी पहन के कैंप में फिरता था।
श्रीजेश लुंगी पहन के रूम में घूमता था, तो I'll be like, क्या कर रहा है अबे? शॉपिंग करके जॉकी का बॉक्सेस लेके आए के got him more. Then we got into a thing where he bought I still remember he bought a Sony laptop, Sony Vaio, and we started आजकल तो इतना बुक्स पढ़ता है कि I don't think so I can do that in 2 lives of mine. But
मैं तो इसको कहता हूँ ये क्रेजी हो गया भाई।
But coming to his change as a goalkeeper from an amateur goalkeeper to where he is today, I think his biggest fight for him has been a mental ability. Because physically, I've seen Shrijesh being very strong. He would do better workouts than me. His gym, his body strengthening was much better. Obviously, not the sprint test, because he could till today he'll have a tough time beating me in sprints. But he fought very hard to get to that position. He trained. As a goalkeeper, Salman, I can explain to you, okay, when you say drag flick right down aane wali hai, so you would normally put your leg or you would dive. Shrijesh is a goalkeeper. When he came in the camp, in the senior camp, he would only go with his leg because he was so tall. So uska strategy था कि मैं पैर से जाऊंगा. And we, myself, Bharat Chetri, Baljit, Devesh also, would always go right down,
With a
but Shrijesh would go, Whereas today, if you see him in the international matches, he can do it right down while going diving.
He's still doing
so
that.
What he did, what he did is he kept his basics strong. At the same time, he learned what he could, and he's done that, and that's the reason why his fighting has been so strong to get to this position.
Yeah. Which is very good. I'm also now.
That's on the field, not off the field. Off the field has always been.
Off the field इसको जाने देते हैं, national team का.
Belated. By the way, Shrijesh, belated birthday.
Oh yes, was yesterday. Happy belated birthday, Shrijesh.
Imran Butt has something to ask me.
Stories नहीं share करते. I mean, बेचारा ना फंस ना जाए कहीं, तो वो इस secret रखते हैं.
Imran Butt has something to ask me. Is he the goalkeeper? Imran Butt, जो goalkeeper.
So that was about Shrijesh. Or always good to see you, Shrijesh. You performing very well for your country now. और ऐसा कुछ junior ऊपर है especially. मुझे तो बहुत खुशी होती है. तो एड्रियन, तुझे याद है हमारी जो इंडो पाक सीरीज होती थी, तो एक दफा आई थिंक 4 मैच इंडिया में थे, 4 मैच पाकिस्तान में थे. तो हम वाघा बॉर्डर, हमारा पहला मैच चंडीगढ़ में हुआ था, हम वाघा बॉर्डर के थ्रू आए इंडिया. तो ये मैं व्यूअर्स को एक स्टोरी शेयर करना चाहूंगा. तो मैं अपना जब पैकिंग वगैरह कर रहा था, तो मैंने किट बैग अपना पैक किया. हम आए चंडीगढ़ में, हम ट्रेनिंग पे जाने लगे. ग्राउंड में गया, मैंने अपना गोली बैग खोला, उसमें मेरा चेस्ट प्रोटेक्टर ही है। आई वाज
बॉर्डर पे।
लाइक अब मैं क्या कहूँ, अब मैं क्या करूँ, अब हम इंडिया पहुंच गए, मैं हमारी ट्रेनिंग है, मैंने किट बैग खोला, मेरा बॉडी प्रोटेक्टर ही नहीं है। तो हमारा प्रैक्टिस मैच था इंडिया, आप लोग जाहिर है इंडिया सीरीज ही तो एक ही टीम थी, हम शायद प्रैक्टिस मैच खेले थे या आई डोंट नो, या खाली हमारी ट्रेनिंग, हम ट्रेनिंग ही थी खाली। उससे पहले आप लोगों ने ट्रेनिंग की, मैं एड्रिन के पास गया, मैं कहा एड्रिन यार मेरा ना मसला हो गया, तो ना मुझे तेरा बॉडी प्रोटेक्टर चाहिए चेस्ट में। एड्रिन ने मुझे दिया, और मैं अपने बॉडी प्रोटेक्टर में एक्स्ट्रा प्रोटेक्शन लगाता था। तो और
कुछ मेरे
मेरा साइज भी लाइक इससे इसका आई थिंक एम था, मेरा एक्सएल एल होता था। तो इसने मुझे दे दिया, खैर वो कोई एक्स्ट्रा प्रोटेक्शन नहीं, मैंने वो पहना, छोटे सी बॉडी प्रोटेक्टर, मैंने उसके कोई आर्म गार्ड्स नहीं, कुछ नहीं। मैंने बाद में एड्रिन को कहा, मैं कहा तू ये कैसे पहन के खेल लेता है? कहता है मैं तो बड़ा कंफर्टेबल हूँ। बार लेटर ऑन वो पाकिस्तान से कोई बॉर्डर से आ रहा था, उन्होंने मैच से पहले मेरा बॉडी प्रोटेक्टर मंगवा दिया, तो मैंने एड्रिन डिसूजा का बॉडी प्रोटेक्टर यूज किया हुआ है ड्यूरिंग ट्रेनिंग एक्चुअली, एंड थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर दैट। लेकिन साइज बहुत छोटा था और उसमें तो बिल्कुल एक्स्ट्रा प्रोटेक्शन नहीं थी। आई वाज लाइक ये बंदा, इसी को रिलेट करूंगा, सुहेल अब्बास की ड्रैग फ्लिक के आगे जाके डैश करता होता था वो बॉडी प्रोटेक्टर पहन के। मैन यू आर क्रेजी।
it was crazy, it was amazing, and in fact I still miss doing those runs. I still miss doing those runs. Thanks to FIH to bring out new rules के अभी you can't break the line. वरना
एक
that is to,
टाइम पे सुहेल अब्बास और हम पाकिस्तान टीम में बड़ा अनॉयड हो गए थे इस चीज से, और क्योंकि तू जिस तरह से करता था पूरा होमवर्क, ये नहीं कि तू भाग जाता था बस, तू पूरा होमवर्क करके आता था। देन वी स्टार्टेड लुकिंग फॉर द अदर ऑप्शंस एंड ऑल दैट। तो लेकिन एक सर्टेन पॉइंट पे, क्योंकि मुझे याद है यू वाज द फर्स्ट वन, डोमेस्टिक में गोलकीपर्स ने किया होगा शायद, बट इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे यू आर द फर्स्ट वन टू डू। नहीं, 2000 में उन्होंने किया था, कोरिया ने, उनके गोलकीपर ने, सिडनी ओलंपिक्स के सेमीफाइनल में। So how was
okay.
why you choose this? Why you didn't choose in standing in the goal against Suhail? Not
There are
only
many
against
reasons.
Suhail, you also tried it against other draft leaders.
There are many reasons, bro. Uh, it all started when we had the pre-Olympic tour. So we were three goalkeepers, Divesh Chauhan, Kamaldeep, and myself. We three had been called for the last selection before the Olympics in Germany. So the test series was India, Germany, and France.
Okay.
Now I'm 19 years old, like genuinely 19. Like सुकड़ा सा, मतलब किट निकालो तो मतलब दिखे ना. So you know, in that tournament we had a German coach, Gerhard Rack, and Oliver Kutz. So Oliver Kutz was a penalty corner specialist, and Salman, you will agree with me, we goalkeepers cannot do a 2.4 या beep test या फिर yo-yo test. आजकल
I always hated it.
So goalkeepers were always sidelined for those tests. But when it came to the sprinting test, I turned out to be in the top 3 with the great legend Dhanraj Pillai, Viren Raskina, Ignis. These all guys were really fast. They could sprint, you know. So in with Adam Sinclair, who was with us in that team, these all were professional sprinters. So I would match up with their speed and beat them at times with the test. So the coach said, why don't you wear your pads? And in this tournament, just run.
Okay.
Just run. I've never seen a video, koi kiya nahi hai.
Yeah.
So in practice session, they used to have tennis balls. And the moment I used to run, they used to hit the tennis ball. So I did it in 3 sessions और उसके बाद tournament. और Germany had Oliver Kunz.
Kunz होता था तब.
Kunz वो जो almost 7 feet वाला, 7 feet वाला drag flip, उसको देख के मतलब ऐसे हो जाते थे सब. So it worked. It worked in the tournament. We won the tournament in the tri-nation. And उसके बाद Olympic का tour आ रहा था. So I got selected in the tournament mainly for that, for charging.
Yeah.
Okay, he can defend penalty corners. And from then came the Olympics. Olympics में I didn't think twice. बोला के charge करो. But then we used our strategies. So we had runners with us. के वो लोग would go for indirect variations and the postman. how I have to run, हाथ
Yeah,
कहाँ पे
yeah, yeah,
रखना
yeah.
है.
No, you did pretty well. तूने
But you
काफी
need to be brave क्योंकि फटके तो बहुत लगते थे boys.
नहीं brave नहीं
And
है brave as a goalkeeper. You can't be a goalkeeper if you're not brave. No matter you're dashing or you're staying in the goal, you have to be brave. You know.
yeah, I
Yeah,
completely agree.
yeah. There is no other way that you can be a good goalie if you're not brave. And हमें
I've
याद है
never
कि
actually,
मैंने ये भी सुना है कि you being called a flying goalkeeper of India. You always used to make nice flying dives and saves, and that
oh
was
yeah.
yeah.
That's because I think when I grew up, I played a lot of cricket as a fielder. So we used to follow jaunty roads and
Brilliant,
most
brilliant.
of the
My
time
inspiration
jump.
to be a
But
goalkeeper, you know.
for me, a flying goalkeeper while I was playing in my career was Bharat Chetri. He was exceptional when it came to
Oh
all
yeah,
these
yeah, 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 yeah,
steps.
yeah. Chetri,
वो तो
he always
taekwondo
used to
खेल लेता
make
था.
some, you know, out of nowhere, he used to save the goal.
Yeah,
Out
yeah,
of nowhere. And with a totally strange action, you know. But he used to stop the ball. Adrian, we
yeah.
got a nice here, Harpreet Lamba. If you, yeah, it's
Oh
the
yeah.
very good journalist
Namaste ji.
from India. Hi, Preeti. I hope you're doing good. She's saying, great story, Salman. Tell us about the last time you both played in India or Pakistan and some fun stories around them. Okay, I will start with that fun stories in India. Actually, I have such a great memories in India. It doesn't matter it was for playing hockey or from Pakistan or a league from Orissa Steelers or Hyderabad Sultans or doing commentary from Star Sports on
Commentary.
Hockey India League. So I have all the great memories of my life from India. I have so many good friends in India, so many good, great fans from India. So the memory which I will like to share is, yeah, there is one guy. He was my fan initially, but now he's like my brother, and his name is Hari. That is his nickname, and now he actually is on a very higher post in Punjab Police. So he was a very youngster. I used to come there to play PHL, and उसके पास वो बुलेट होता था और वो ना मैच के बाद he tried to meet me a couple of times and later on एक दिन पता नहीं कुछ हुआ कि I wanted to go back to hotel. I was in hurry. तो मैंने उसे कहा मैंने कहा यार प्लीज मुझे तो ड्रॉप एंड ही वाज लाइक I'm gonna take Salman Akbar. He's gonna sit on the back seat of my bullet, and I'm gonna drop him. He got massively blanked. Oh, पागल हो गया वो. खैर वहां से मैंने उसको मिलना शुरू किया. Then I also invited him in the hotel. We started having lunch and
I
छोटे छोटे
remember
मुझे जो
meeting
काम
him in the
होते
hotel in
तू
Chandigarh
मिला हुआ है
during
उसको.
PHL. हाँ
तो
जी.
भाई लॉन्ग स्टोरी शॉर्ट मेरे वो और जिस तरह से फिर वो मेरे साथ कांटेक्ट में रहा और मैं यहाँ बताता चलूं जो मेरा फेसबुक पे पेज है वो उसने बनाया था एंड ही पुश्ड मी इन दिस सोशल मीडिया. और फिर वो यंगस्टर था, वो पढ़ाई कर रहा था, तो उसकी जो भी डिफिकल्टीज आई ना मेरे से पूछता था. तो आई यूज्ड टू टेल हिम लाइक रैंडम कैजुअल, यार ये ना कर, यार इसको ऐसे सोच, है जस्ट कैजुअल. वो उसने पिक की एंड नाउ ही इज लाइक समथिंग बिग इन पंजाब पुलिस. तो वो आज भी मुझे एडमायर करता है और मुझे उसकी लाइफ स्टोरी मैं ये समझता हूँ अगर मैं इंडिया की कोई मेमोरी पिक करूंगा तो आई विल एब्सोल्युटली टेक हिज लाइफ स्टोरी, द वे ही ग्रो अप एंड ही ऑलवेज से दैट इट्स बिकॉज ऑफ मी. और पीछे जब तुझे याद है हम गए थे, मेरा मोहाली का वीजा नहीं लगा हुआ था, मेरा चंडीगढ़ का लगा हुआ था. सो आई
चंडीगढ़
कुडंट
का
स्टे
लगा
इन
हुआ.
मोहाली और वो मोहाली में रहता है. मैं उसके घर रहा था एक हफ्ते एंड हिज दे ऑल नो मी वेरी वेल. So that is the memory, Harpreet. That was my answer of your question. That from
Is
India,
Harpreet
I
still
have this.
online? Is
I
Harpreet
hope
still
she will be
online?
listening. I hope she will be listening.
Because I hope I believe even she has been to Pakistan if I'm not mistaken. So you should
Exactly.
ask her
Yeah,
as
yeah.
well what
She
are her
was
memories.
in what I remember 2004 Champions Trophy.
Champions Trophy if
Yeah.
I'm not mistaken.
Yeah. So with the playing memories, there are a lot of playing memories with me. I used to talk with Sandeep a lot.
Which has
And
been your favorite? I'll ask you. Which has been your favorite venue in India to play? Which has been your favorite venue in India?
Favorite venue.
Yeah, in India. Yeah.
Chandigarh, sir. Chandigarh. Without any doubt.
Always. Chandigarh
Always
is home.
Chandigarh. Yes, Chandigarh.
Not Amritsar.
No, Chandigarh. I always love to because मुझे ना वो स्टेडियम का लेआउट एंड दैट तब आगे भी थी डेस्ट्रो टर्फ थी बड़ी किस
42 सेक्टर.
हाँ 42 सेक्टर. तो जो चंडीगढ़ में उस टाइम लगी थी प्योरली ऑस्ट्रो टर्फ लगी हुई थी उसमें ना, वो ग्रीन कलर की. तो मुझे वो पिच भी बहुत अच्छी लगती थी. एंड देन दैट लेआउट ऑफ द स्टेडियम
it used to go,
हाँ
yeah.
वो फुल होता था, तो मेरी ना शुरू से शायद मुझे अट्रैक्टिव वो किया। अब मैं हम वो कलिंगा वाले में नहीं खेले हुए, तो शायद अगर इन दिनों में होता तो कलिंगा होता, बिकॉज हमने कमेंट्री की भी एट्स वन ऑफ द, आई थिंक वन ऑफ द बेस्ट स्टेडियम इन द वर्ल्ड नाउ। तो या मेरा तो वेन्यू चंडीगढ़। एडविन तेरा
Unfortunately, you
पाकिस्तान
haven't
में
got
क्या?
the opportunity to play there.
सॉरी
Unfortunately, you haven't had the opportunity to play there.
नहीं
I'm
नहीं,
not
वहां
mistaken.
बीच में खड़े होके माइक पकड़ के खड़ा हुआ वहां पे, गोल में नहीं खड़ा हुआ वहां पे। Yes,
Yeah.
was
So
privileged to cover 2004
coming
Champions Trophy.
coming
एडविन
back to
तेरा तेरा
Harpreet,
क्या पाकिस्तान की, यू बीन इन
the
पाकिस्तान, यू प्लेड, हमारी वो एक ही लीग हुई थी और आप उसमें आए थे,
PHL.
पीएचएल या
नहीं, अलग था पाकिस्तान कौन सा
पीएसएल, पाकिस्तान सुपर हॉकी लीग समथिंग।
was okay. Anyway, the best memory. Firstly, I remember once Adnan Zakir had taken me out in Karachi for dinner. That was a special moment because we both were from the same junior batch, and I think we were the only two guys who could speak languages fluently apart from Hindi, which was normal at that time. So that's how Adnan and me became very good friends. But the memory that will always stick with me is when we played the last match in Quetta against Pakistan.
You won
And
that match,
we won that match, and हम लोग को while we were reaching Quetta, they explained that it's the border of Afghanistan and Pakistan, and you all will have a lot of supporters for India. But the moment we entered the stadium, we could only see fans and Indian flags all over in Pakistan.
Yeah.
And I think at that moment only we knew that we are going to win this match. The match was won before we started the match, because so I think we had already lost the series. We had only one match left in Quetta, and we lost the series 4-2. 4 match आप लोग जीते, 2 we won and 2 draw. So the last match in Quetta was something to live about. The hotel was splendid, as Oltman said. It was like staying by the desert. At the same time, it felt like a palace. And
Palace, yes.
So in the beginning, we thought that सबको झंडा दिया है पकड़ने के लिए और बोलो कि cheer India. But it wasn't that reason. It was actually from the heart, where every fan, every Pakistani person from Quetta was happy to see us play. It was a big moment. The result was not important. What was important to see us play there. And that's the best memory I have of Pakistan. And I still believe that Karachi is like Mumbai, as you all call it, and Lahore is like Punjab.
Yes, it is. Yeah, it is. That's a good thing you picked it up. It's absolutely like that. I also, whenever used to go to Mumbai, I feel like I'm in Karachi. So that's we both have, our countries have a lot of similarities and things and all.
I believe Shakil Abbasi is from Quetta.
Shakil Abbasi is from Quetta, yeah. Shakil Abbasi, Zishan Ashraf, they both are from Quetta.
The fullback, yeah.
And Adrian, it's just have you ever experienced? Have you ever crossed the?
वो fly जो करण होगा.
Karan की क्या बात है? Karan की, Karan was our host when we used to do a commentary in Hockey India League. And what a guy I met in India once again. I always met so many nice people in India. Bharat, so Salman bhai, big goalkeeper. Oh, thank you very much, Sam Batsa. Adrian, have you ever experienced crossing the border by foot from Wagah?
Yeah, we have done it twice while coming to play.
We have only 15 or 17 minutes. How was that experience?
It was a plain simple experience.
You are in Pakistan.
No. We had it happens at 4 p.m. I guess. The entire border process where the flag ceremony. But while crossing the border, we did once, and it was a normal process. But because we were the Indian hockey team, felicitation tha, then tea break and protocol mein tha, and I did not leave my chest guard behind. My chest guard leke aaya tha, so I was safe. But now, if I had to take your chest guard, it wouldn't fit me because your size is XL.
Yeah, then you might don't need a helmet even. No, but how was that experience that you just walk and in one step you're in Pakistan?
Yeah, because borders are made by us humans. So
Yeah, yeah,
if
yeah,
you
yeah.
think about it, there are still borders where I think half inches this side and half inches that side in Europe. But
In Europe, you can see. Yeah, 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 yeah.
yeah, yeah. But it was a very formal process, to be very honest,
Hmm.
because protocol follow करना था, suit
Absolutely,
पहनना
absolutely.
था,
Yeah.
and Indian team आ रही थी. But uh, overall, the experience of playing in Pakistan was something special. गालियाँ तो बहुत मिलती थी
मुझे भी
from the
इंडिया में
fans.
बहुत, हम तो गोल के पास, हम तो गोल में होते थे,
गोल
क्राउड के पास होते थे, बड़ी गालियां
पीछे से गाली खाओ. और
बड़ी
अगर
गाली
नाम क्या, especially if you would play in Europe or Australia, you had a Catholic name, so I
या
would get abused
या
24/7 by the Australian fans or anything because it's so easy to say Adrian. But in India, it's very hard, or in Pakistan, it's very hard to say Adrian. So D'Souza bolo,
दिस
D'Souza
इज
bolo.
या I was talking, मेरा एक्सपीरियंस जो रहा, मैंने एक्चुअली many times, I think 6 7 times I crossed the border by foot, and many times I've crossed it personally जब हम ये हॉकी इंडिया लीग या वैसे मैं जाता था इंडिया, तो without any protocol, I always felt an amazing feeling. I mean, I always used to be very excited that I will just walk through, just after one step my time zone will change and I will be half an hour ahead. And whenever I used to cross the line, I used to look back and I was like, seriously, just because of this few
This
inches line, I have to change my timer on my watch. So I always enjoyed
measurements,
that one. Yeah, that feeling.
measurements.
टाइम जोन ही आधा घंटा और ये पीछे है मेरे से यार, आधा घंटा इधर आधा घंटा इधर. So I always enjoyed it. That is always very close to my heart. And
Yuvraj, Yuvraj Valmiki just said hi, and I'm sure you know about the Valmiki brothers.
oh yes,
Uh,
two brothers. Yeah, 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 yeah,
yeah, they are
yeah,
a
yeah,
big
yeah.
hit, not only on the field but off the field as well.
All as well.
Younger to me, I look at them as my younger brothers, but both have their own feeling. And Yuvraj is one of a forward who is like Rehan Butt, but in his own level, he's another sly player in the D, knows how to get goals. Whereas Devinder has always been a midfielder of a player who can do a defensive attack, defensive work as well as attack. But these boys have actually had a very, very tough life to grow up, and today where they have achieved it, I'm proud
Yeah,
of them.
yeah, that's remarkable. Yeah, I know about their life story a bit, and yeah, and I hope you'll be fine, Devinder bhai. And if anything you need here in Holland, let me know. Feel free. You have my number. Yeah, yeah,
You're
yeah, yeah.
telling him now?
No, no, I met
अभी
him
बोल रहा
when
है?
Pakistan team. I met him in the stadium when Pakistan team was here for
That was
big
वो तो
qualifiers.
match बहुत पहले. I'm talking about the Corona time. You didn't message him. कि
Yeah,
देवेंद्र
it's
कुछ चाहिए.
understood. Yeah, I mean message, but I used to look at his Insta stories and Raat Ka Dhyan and this and that. So he's doing fine. I don't think so. I have to write him a message. Yeah. So we how you Edwin, how was it to be when it was always a game against Pakistan, not only the India Pak series, and because I remember there was one time, I think 2004, 5, 6, we used to
Yeah.
dominate and used to win a lot of matches from you guys. But now in recent past, it's been long time that Pakistan beat India, or and last one only was in Champions Trophy semi-final. But in general, in recent years, India is really dominating and winning almost every game against Pakistan. So in those times and nowadays, there's a big difference. So when you was playing, how was it always being even against Pakistan in a tournament or a series? How was it? Was emotional? It was something special, or you used to just take it a normal game and try to win the game?
I don't think so. I ever took the India Park as a normal game till today. In fact, I've got a yellow card only once in my life, and that is against Pakistan in
Okay.
Malaysia, where I would say accidentally, but एक foul हुआ था, and the Pakistan forward was right in front of me, but I had done the save in the near post, so I had to run from this post to the other. Or your forward, Pakistan forward was lying down, वो गिर पड़ा था. So while running, accidentally I stepped on his head because I had to make the other save. But the umpire seen it the other way. I would still say accidentally, but I got the yellow card. And that erupted into a small fight. So that's how we would be against y'all. And it will always be that way, I feel, because कितने भी हम लोग planning करते हैं match के पहले, you know that India-Pakistan match, you keep a 1 hour meeting के ये करना है. The moment you're on the field, गायब. There's nothing about क्या बोला था कोच साहब ने, ये करना है वो करना है. Pehle, it will take at
Emotions
least 15 minutes to
takes
come
over.
back. Yeah.
Yeah, emotion
The
takes
first
over.
15 minutes, you're only emotionally involved with the game because you're you're looking at the opponent. You know he can speak your language. You know there is some rivalry for all these years and generations, but he might even be Rehan. But for me, in the opposite, where off the field I'll meet him, I'll have a nice chat. But on the field, I would never want him to score against me.
Absolutely.
Unfortunately, he's the only player who has a record that can score against me in every match,
Yeah,
apart
yeah,
from
yeah,
Sohail Abbas as well.
yeah,
So,
yeah, yeah.
and the difference, what I've seen from then to now, is there has to be hockey right now in India is very constructive. They have a plan. Everything is being organized in a very systematic way. But most importantly is the times from PHL, HIL, where we had foreign players coming to India. You
Mm-hmm.
know, and imagine sharing the same dining hall with Jamie Dwyer,
And a changing room.
Binoya, in the change room.
Yeah,
In fact, eating with them. I
yeah.
would say eating also makes a big difference because
Big
you
difference.
realize that they are not superhumans. They are just ordinary people like us. In fact, fitness wise, I would still say that India and Pakistan are very super fit players. But the difference between these foreign players and us has always been that they go for 10 minutes and they give 120%. We go for 30 minutes and we give 60%. So
Good one.
that has
Yes.
always been a biggest setback for both our nations. And since the time HIL came in, I have seen that India has performed much better. India has been doing much better in big competitions and with big teams
Yeah,
because
absolutely.
we
I
have
think,
learned.
yeah, I think HIL bring a massive.
And what it did for Pakistan, Salman, is that Pakistan players couldn't come here.
Yeah,
So
yeah, yeah.
they got confined in their own zone where they had to play their own domestic league or play for the country. So they didn't have exposure for
No,
tournaments which would
no.
go on for 2 months
Yes,
with
yes.
the top level players. You
Absolutely,
know,
absolutely.
so not only money being the other idea, but it also brought up an action within the players saying that I can stay up to this level. I'm not such a young player. I can play to this. We had Arman Qureshi, a young boy, play
Yeah,
for Delhi.
yeah, yeah,
He was
yeah, yeah.
outstanding,
Yes, yes. And
and
that little
many
guy,
players made their debut.
that little guy, Yusuf something, Afan
Afan
Yusuf.
Yusuf,
Man,
Afan
wow.
Yusuf.
Yes.
They made their career through HIL. So
HIL.
this has been a platform for all these players, and
That's true.
for me, it's always been, I feel that's been the biggest reason why Indian hockey has developed so much than Pakistan hockey right now.
Yeah, that's absolutely right. And it's a big thing what you guys have there in India. And now it's not being happening, but I hope it will start again soon.
Pro League. Now they're going to Pro League.
Yeah, now it's a pro league. Absolutely. And Pakistan is, yeah, this is a big difference. Actually, Pakistan hockey really couldn't planned well from, I would say, last few years. And that's why they got a decline now. And I'm very hopeful that they will lift it up from here and learn something. I always used to say in my statements that this is a time to learn from the neighbors, even learn from India what they did and where they are now. You guys are in
You're
top
like,
5 in the world, right?
actually, the best person to ask is Mr. Holtman. He's coached both the teams. He'll
Yeah,
be
and
like,
he said the
India
same.
में
He
ये
said the
होता
same.
है,
Yeah, he said the same.
Pakistan में वो होता है.
Yeah, he said the same. He said the same. And Adrian, I remember you was in Pakistan for the Asia Cup in Karachi. Man, you was amazing there. You won.
Yeah,
You won the tournament, and you won the man of the best goalkeeper of the tournament. I must say,
yeah.
I landed. We landed from Malaysia. We were for their Asian game. I think it was lunch or something. And I landed. That day was the final. I really rushed to the home. I switched on the TV and I watched that final. And
That was intense final.
you and Sandeep Singh
Intense.
was amazing. Really, I
In
must say
fact,
that.
Sandeep Michael, late Sandeep Michael, was the captain of the team, and
Sandeep
Sandeep
Michael.
Singh.
I have a
Sandeep
very
Singh.
good story with him, but I'm not gonna say it here.
Sandeep Singh, myself, William Kalko, Adam Sinclair,
Then
Vinay was there. Vivek Gupta.
Yeah.
Vivek Gupta.
What a guy
So
he was. Oh my God.
we got a major break thanks to that Asia Cup tournament because that's when we got the call for the senior team because of the tournament in Pakistan.
Okay,
in
we
Karachi.
only left with like 5-6 minutes, so we will go towards the end, and I will try to. Well, we can talk for hours. And one more story quickly. I would like to. I'm sure you remember that one. It was Asia Cup 2009
Seven,
in
nine, nine, nine.
Kuantan, right?
Kuantan,
Malaysia. Yeah.
Kuantan. Yeah.
And we had a game next day against each other, and it was a very nice hotel on the beach. I will like to
Yeah.
share this with the viewers. And we used to have a balcony on every room. So yeah, of course, Edwin was there, I was there. Until then, we were very good friends. And but next day
We
was the
had become
game.
good friends.
We became good friends, yeah. And we had a game next day against each other, and I was laying in my room, and it was late night, and I couldn't sleep. And I said, okay, I will get some fresh air. I will go in the balcony and I'll stand there for a while. I went there. I saw in front. I was looking around, and I saw a balcony. Adrian is standing there. I said, "What are you doing here?" He said, "What are you doing here?" I said, "Man, I can't sleep because it was a very crucial game. If you won, you go to
Y'all,
semi-final. If you
y'all
won,
won the match though.
we do
3-2.
one, but it was yeah." And Adrian also
Yeah.
said, "Man, I can't sleep. It's so man. I'm really like very not nervous, but I can't sleep. I'm
And the
excited."
kid bag, दोनों का kid bag बाहर था
वो
balcony में.
गोलकीपर या हमारा कोई रूममेट नहीं बनता था यार एडन आई ऑलवेज हेटेड दैट कि ये जी नहीं मुझे गोलकीपर का रूममेट ना बनाए दे हैव अ स्मेली स्टफ ऑल्दो आई नेवर हैड अ स्मेली स्टफ
Yeah, yeah.
आई
We
नेवर
always
लाइक
used
इट
to carry cologne or something else. We would be the cleanest guys otherwise.
और हम सबसे साफ
Yeah.
होते थे यार इन्होंने ना हमारे बारे में गलत
I remember that moment very well because match के पहले एक दिन we both spoke and the balcony was near to each other.
Very near, actually,
we could
yeah.
speak, yeah.
yeah
Except we
yeah
couldn't reach by jumping, but we could
Yeah.
speak to each other. So Salman told me कि ऐसा है. I said okay. Next day the match got over, and after the match we ended up again at the same time in the balcony. Whereas I was disappointed and you were like on a cheerful mode. You were standing with Rehan, but
एग्जैक्टली हाँ तुझे हमने थोड़ा सा छेड़ा भी था मुझे याद है
Rehan ने गोल मारा था.
Yeah,
If I'm not
yeah.
mistaken, I think Rehan was asking क्या गोल खाया कैसे खाया? And I was like no mood to talk.
Yeah, Rehan was also telling that story that day. I was talking to him. Argentina में उसने तुझे तब भी तूने कहा था यार रेहान तूने क्या कर दिया यार और उसने तब भी 3-4 गोल कर दिए थे एक ही मैच में. Rehan always have a very much connection with performing against India, and he did
But
perform very well against India.
I've always been grateful and thankful to one of the best track flickers you all had, Sohail Abbas.
Oh yes.
Obviously he was very much senior to me, the best drag flicker that I have ever seen or faced. But it's because of the competition level that we both had against each other is something that made us individually known in the sport. You know, if not for Sohail Abbas, I would never be charging. It's simple as that.
Yeah, I understand. Great. Okay, we only left with 2 minutes. So, Edwin, what you will like to say to the people who joined our call? Very sorry we couldn't take your answers. Can't you guys keep on chatting? No, we can't because it's a 1 hour restriction call on Insta. But it was great. Very sorry that we couldn't take your questions because we also talking after a long time, so we had a lot of to share. And I think you guys enjoyed a lot our call. So Edwin, what you will like to say to our fans and all the people, and especially people of Pakistan?
Firstly, I'd just like to say, if you are a very tall goalkeeper, try and always wear a cap. Otherwise, you'll end up like Salman and Srijesh who are losing their hair, wearing a helmet. Otherwise, please stay safe and lots of love to everyone in Pakistan, India especially, and all over the world. Thanks, Salman.
That's great. Same from me. Lot of namaste, sat sri akal to my all Indian fans, friends, and whoever joined the call. And I love people from India. You guys always give me a lot of love. And I miss coming to India, and I hope I will be there very, very soon.
And Anda Paratha.
And Adrian, especially, I miss that Anda Paratha. You have to take me again to all those roadside dinners. And I miss that, and I'll try to level my best to be there as soon as possible. Thank you very much, everyone, to be on the call, listen to our stories. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time. Tomorrow, I'm going to be with another person, very interesting person. You can go to my social media, Insta account, and you can see I'm going to put the poster there in a couple of hours. Adrian, thank you very much once again. Take very good care of yourself, and be safe as you're working now on the airport. So be very safe, please.
Thank you, brother. Thank you.
Give my love to your family. Thanks for your time.
Khuda Hafiz. बाय।
Ram Ram say.